Okay, folks, we're back at this generator again, trying to figure out why it don't run right. And one of the things that could be a problem is the lift pump, and we're going to try to eliminate that as a problem, or diagnose that as a problem, by installing a little electric pump. So got this from Summit. It's a little diesel pump, puts out 5 to 7 psi, and we're just taking the line that did come from the lift pump and we broke it where it goes into the filter and inserted this, and we're just running it off of a can here. So this will just be to test to see if it runs better with this pump or not. Heater on. Snap this pump in here. Running. Sounds happy. Let the heater run for 30 seconds-ish. Because it's cold today. It's kind of nasty out. Okay, let's go. Well, I guess that ain't the problem. On to the next thing. So the governor, I mean, it's just staying full throttle that whole time, and it doesn't budge, and it doesn't reach the RPM that it's supposed to reach. So there's something wrong. It's either injectors or maybe something wrong with the injection pump. But we had the injection pump off once, and I thought we had it all straightened out, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. The mystery continues.